afternoon, everybody. This is the advertised time and place for the Thursday, September 18th, 2025 Planning Board meeting. Please join us in standing for the pledge. Pledge allegiance
to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
All right, good afternoon. We do have a few public hearings today, so people at home can get on Zoom and participate if they like. And the first public hearing is Woodhull at Sound Shore for a minor subdivision.
For the record, Matt Charter, Senior Planner for the Town of Riverhead.
Mr. Chairman, we do have affidavit of posting and mailing submitted by the applicant. I'll just start by reading the notice of public hearing into the record. Go over a couple things that we've received thus far, and then I'll turn it over to the applicant. So please take notice that a public hearing will be held before the Planning Board of the Town of Riverhead at the Riverhead Town Hall, 4 West 2nd Street, Riverhead, New York, on Thursday, the 18th day of September, 2025, at 3:00 p.m. to consider the minor subdivision application entitled Woodhull at Sound Shore, which seeks approval to subdivide a 3.287-acre parcel into two lots, which lot 1 is to contain 71,176.14 square feet, and will contain an existing one-story single-frame residence and accessory structures, and where lot 2 is to contain 72,016.46 square feet and will be vacant, located within the Residence A40 RA40 zoning use district, situate at 506 Sound Shore Road, within the Hamlet of Northville, Town of Riverhead, more particularly identified as Suffolk County Tax Map Number 600-7-1-21. This was discussed with the board, I believe, at the first August meeting. Pretty straightforward, two-lot subdivision up on the Sound. We did get a lot of referral comments back, which were already discussed with the board. Some items of note is there are two sheds that are located within proposed lot 1 that are in non-conforming locations. So prior to signature of the subdivision map, my recommendation is that they either remove, move, or get those legalized by the Zoning Board of Appeals. Other than that, we did get comments back from the town engineer, which were that he didn't have any comments. They have a permit from the DEC for the subdivision. Planning Commission did come back with a matter for local determination, and other than that, we're pretty straightforward here. You can see a copy of the map up on the screen, and I will turn it over to the applicant in the event you guys have any questions.
Thank you, Matt.
Yep.
You said there's two sheds.
Yes.
One is on lot 2, I assume, and one is on lot 1?
They're both on lot 1.
Oh, okay.
They're existing, so it's a proposed structure shown on lot 2.
Yeah.
Doesn't exist now, but they're on the western property line on lot 1.
Kimberly Judd, 737 Roanoke Avenue, Riverhead, New York. The applicant, also one of my clients, is here, Christine. This property has been in their family since 1964, and her mom and dad are proposing to subdivide it for estate planning purposes. The property is located in an RA40 zoning district, and each of the lots is proposed in excess of 70,000 square feet, so we are more than conforming as to lot area and zoning. If you've been to the property, when you're standing at the road, I don't know if anybody's gone there, but it's a deep dive. You can see all the contours on the survey, and it goes right down to the Sound. We are going to most likely apply to the zoning board for a variance for the sheds. They've been there a very long time, and they're big and difficult to move. We could try to move them to the other side of the house, but there's the septic system there, and we can't move them behind the house because of the contours. It drops greatly. So my client's here if you have any questions for us.
Okay, thank you. Anybody from the audience have anything to say?
Kim, I just had one quick. Are there any wetlands on the second lot?
No.
No wetlands, okay.
No wetlands. We do have a DEC permit, a tidal wetlands permit.
Do we have any Zoomers?
We have people on Zoom, but they don't have their hands raised, so I'm not sure if they want to speak.
Board members, anything else?
No.
Okay, let's get a motion.
All right, I'll move that we close the public hearing for Woodhull at South Shore. So moved.
Second.
Moved in second, Mr. Zilnicki?
Yes.
Mr. Hogan?
Yes.
Mr. Nenaro?
Aye.
Mr. Bear?
Yes.
And I vote aye, the motion carries.
Thank you.
Thank you, good luck. All right, public hearing number 2 for Thomas Anderson for a minor subdivision with Heather.
For the record, Heather Trojanowski, planner for the town of Riverhead. This is a public hearing for a minor subdivision application entitled Thomas Anderson Minor Subdivision, which seeks approval to subdivide a 25.711 acre parcel into 2 lots, with lot 1 to contain 4 acres and lot 2 to contain 21.711 acres, situated on the east side of Roanoke Avenue within the APZ zoning use district, more particularly identified as Suffolk County Tax Map Number 600-64-1-57, and I can confirm that we received the affidavit of posting and mailing and the certified receipts. So,
Thank you very much. Anybody from the public? Mr. Cuddy?
Charles Cuddy, 445 Griffin Avenue, Riverhead, New York, for the Andersons. Basically, what they're doing is taking 92 acres and making 2 46-acre lots. 42 acres of each lot is to be sold to the county. 4 acres is to be retained by each of them. So they're just, as an estate plan, making 2 lots that are equal, so that each one of them has an equal interest. And they really are selling off the land, preserving the land to the county of Suffolk, and we have contracts with the county and will close shortly.
That's great.
That's all it is.
Awesome.
Just waiting for this to be approved. They can move ahead and sell
Yes,
the
that's
development
correct.
rights.
Yes.
Okay, thank you. Anybody from the public? Please come up, sir.
Hello, Robert Papis, 67 Green Tree Drive, Riverhead, New York. I am living on Green Tree Drive. This is like across Roanoke, so it was like post on the side of the field. Do I understand that this is a protected area?
It's going to be. They're selling the development rights once this application is complete.
So they are changing fields where it's growing vegetables and
No, they're still
they
gonna be
they
farmland.
changing for the building permits or something like that.
No.
So
just,
it will be
just a subdivision. It's
Subdivision
still going to be farmland.
still will be farmland.
Yes, sir.
Is some kind of like law for this, or
Yeah,
it's like
yeah, it'll be in
solid
any program.
rock, right?
Yes, sir.
No buildings, nothing like
well,
this.
just to clarify, there is going to be a 4-acre retained parcel, so that if they would like to build a house in the future, they could, but they would need to get the appropriate building permits, health department approval, but the larger portion of the lot is going to be
They
preserved.
actually could build on it like a barn or an
Or like an
Okay.
agriculture.
use. It's
And,
not going to be a subdivision for houses.
So this is it's possible, like for me, the citizen, to have the map of this area.
We can certainly let you take a look at it.
Yeah, it's
Okay.
here, it's also online with the agenda packet.
Oh, okay. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Any other speakers? Board members?
Oh, will we close the hearing, public
I
hearing on
gotta
the
check for
subdivision?
Zooms, Joe. Check for Zoom.
Oh, yeah.
No more Zoomers.
No more Zoomers. Okay, now you can do it,
I
Joe.
can do it. I'll move to close the public hearing on Thomas Anderson Minor Subdivision on Roanoke Avenue.
I'll second.
Moved in second. Mr. Zilnicki?
Yes.
Mr. Hogan?
Yes.
Mr. Nenaro?
Aye.
Mr. Bear?
Yes.
And I vote aye, the motion carries. Okay, one more public hearing, Richard Anderson, minor subdivision, with Heather.
So this is a public hearing for a minor subdivision application entitled Richard Anderson Minor Subdivision. This is the lot directly to the south of the lot for the prior public hearing. This seeks approval to subdivide a 66.996 acre parcel into 3 lots, with lot 1 to contain 20.369 acres, lot 2 to contain 42.357 acres, and lot 3 to contain 4 acres, situated on the east side of Roanoke Avenue, north side of Joyce Drive, within the APZ and RA 40 zoning use districts, more particularly identified as Suffolk County Tax Map Number 600-64-1-7.1. And as Mr. Cuddy stated before, this is, I guess, the brothers' parcel in conjunction with the parcel to the north, wherein they are subdividing to sell the larger lots to the county in order to get equal profits, and then each will retain just 1 4-acre parcel for the potential of a barn or a house in the future.
Okay, anybody like to speak on this? Mr. Cuddy?
It's virtually to say the same thing, that this is the other side of the parcel, and it's the two brothers just equalizing the parcels, and that's it.
Mr. Cuddy, can I ask you about, you guys been notified by the town, the water department. Has Richie or Tommy given any idea if they would be interested in selling the?
They're not, this is going to be Thomas's, the one where they want to put the well. And the answer is, so far, he said,
So they're switching, so Richie's gonna take the south end? And-
yes,
Oh, okay,
yeah,
all right.
that's right. One is going to take the south, the other the north.
Right.
But the answer is, they said to me they'd like the farm. They're not too sure they want any wells in their property. They just want to farm it. That was last week. I'm still talking to them.
Okay, because, once the county is done.
No, I understand.
Yeah. I just thought it would have been a great buffer between the farm and Nadell Drive, because the people there complain.
But you and I may think differently than they do.
Yes.
And just for the record, we did receive correspondence. It was sent to Mr. Cuddy with a copy to the planning board from Frank Mancini, who's the water district superintendent, requesting that they had an interest in buying 4 acres of the land from this parcel, just for a little bit of background.
So we're still talking.
Thanks, Mr. Cuddy, I appreciate that.
Yeah.
Anybody else from the audience? Anything else, board members?
Any Zoomers?
No Zoomers?
Nobody on Zoom.
Okay, do it, guys.
All right, move we close the public hearing for Rich Anderson Minor Subdivision, so moved.
Second.
Moving second, Mr. Zanicki.
Yes.
Mr. Hogan.
Yes.
Mr. De Niro. Mr. Bear.
Yes.
And I vote aye, the motion carries. Okay, no discussion items today, Greg?
No, sir.
All right. Public comments on any resolution?
Yeah, I hope so.
Huh?
Might as well do it now, rather than wait for it to come up.
What's that?
I have a question.
Oh,
on
sure.
resolutions. Greg?
Yes.
On Peconic Landing. Find the resolution. Where's the resolution? Here it is, okay. We have on page 3.
Yes.
And it's just a question. Has the applicant applied to the health department?
That I don't know. We do have the attorney for the applicant here. They could probably answer that question.
Same question goes for item 2, wetland permits.
To the DEC? Yeah.
And then the last question is, there will be covenants?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, so that, the filing, the second resolve on page 3, that upon, filing the signed subdivision map with the county clerk, covenants containing those restrictions above noted in a form approved by council to the planning board shall be filed with the subdivision.
How you doing?
I'm well, thanks. Good afternoon.
Just give your name and...
Martin Finnegan, 13250 Main Road, Mattatuck, for the applicant. We had a letter of non-jurisdiction from the DEC for the original subdivision. We're resubmitting everything based on the reduced density. Same thing with the health department. We were pretty much there, but when things changed, so everything's pending, but everything has been submitted. We're just waiting for it.
And also, have you been in contact with the county preservation? Are they interested in purchasing development rights?
We have, other than the comments that were made at the public hearing about that, we have not been approached by the county. My client has not heard from anybody with respect to it all.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Hannigan. Miss, you may speak up.
Hi, I'm Eileen Sperling from 16 Doug's Lane in Jamesport. I've been in touch with the people from the county, from Catherine Stark's office, and to my knowledge, what I was told, the owners were given a notice of intent that the county is interested in purchasing this parcel. We have a very active community because this is very sensitive wetlands, and I know that you had some stipulations that you put in on this conditional approval. It doesn't go as far as you did in the November 2023 with the original site proposal. And as a community, we're extremely worried about what's going to happen when this property becomes developed. So I do know that the County Preservation, Dean Gandley and Catherine Stark, have reached out to the owners. We were told that they may be interested. Maybe Mr. Finnegan has better knowledge of that, but we were told that letters of intent have gone out to them in terms of preserving this property. And that is what the community would be most interested in doing.
Thank you. You have any knowledge on that, Mr. Finnegan?
I know my client was waiting to hear from them based on it, but I'm just actually reviewing the last update I got.
Having trouble.
But, you know,
Could you just come up? You're not picking up on the microphone.
He's standing back there, they can't hear you.
yeah, I'm sorry. I can certainly double check on that and report back to Greg, but I mean, this approval has no impact on, we can still sell the development rights if there's a deal that, right? So,
Nothing more with a plan.
yeah, so that is where we are, okay?
Mention it to the applicant.
I will, of course.
Very good. Thank you, sir.
Just for the board's knowledge, I just want to make a correction. The wetlands on this property that have been referred to, that were referred to by Mr. Gandley at the public hearing, as well as just now, they are not tidal wetlands. What's shown on both the county GIS map and our local GIS is that those areas are identified as dredge spoils. So what happened was when East Creek was dredged out, those spoils were placed on that property. There are 3 houses which are located adjacent to Doug's Lane, which are shown on that same dredge spoil layer. So they were able to build 3 houses on on that area that is identified. When you turn on the wetland layer, it comes up, but they're actually dredge spoils, so it's not a wetland. It is within DEC tidal wetland jurisdiction. That line is shown on the map, and that's why they need to get the approval from the DEC for the subdivision.
Sorry, I'm new to all this procedural thing, but what happens when you give a preliminary approval for the site map? Does that mean that developers can begin developing this property? Like, what is the process?
So this is a conditional approval. Basically, it spells out the conditions that the applicant needs to meet before the map would be signed by the chairman. Until the map is signed by the chairman and filed with the Suffolk County Clerk, those lots don't exist. The individual building lots that are shown on the 4-lot minor subdivision map are not created until that map is filed with the county clerk.
Now, what is the approximate timeline?
That's fully dependent on the applicant filing, getting the approval from the health department, the DEC, satisfying those conditions. That's not, once the planning board grants the approval, the ball is in the applicant's court, so to speak, to satisfy those conditions.
Before it's finalized?
Before it would be signed and before it would be filed.
I think that was the question.
I do apologize. So I apologize. So I call this a conditional approval for the 4-lot minor subdivision application.
There's just a typo on the agenda itself, but the resolution's correct.
Resolution is correct. Thank you.
Anybody else like to speak? Okay, let's do resolutions. Whenever you're ready, gentlemen.
Okay. I'll do resolution 2024, resolution 94, assume lead agency and issue a negative declaration for, sorry?
Yeah, no, that's correct.
I'm sorry, for BJ's Fueling Station and Wholesale Club expansion.
I'll second.
Moved in second, Mr. Zanicki.
Yes.
Mr. Hogan.
Yes.
Mr. Nenaro. Mr. Bear.
Yes.
And I vote yes, the motion carries.
I'll move resolution number 2025-095, Sandy Pond Links LLC, Trade Shops, Managers Residence Clubhouse, resolution granting final approval for the site plan seeking to construct a 3,100 square foot clubhouse. So moved.
Second.
Mr. Zanicki.
Yes.
Mr. Hogan.
Yes.
Mr. Nenaro. Mr. Bear?
Yes.
And I vote yes, the motion carries.
Resolution 2025-096, Peconic Farm Minor Subdivision, resolution granting preliminary approval for a minor subdivision.
I just want to correct it, grants conditional approval for the 4-lot minor subdivision. I do apologize for that.
Conditional approval for a minor subdivision application of Peconic Farms LLC. So moved.
Second.
Moved in second, Mrs. Zanicki.
Yes.
Mr. Hogan.
Yes.
Mr. De Niro. Mr. Bear?
Yes.
And I vote aye, the motion carries. Okay, at this time, we can open it up to public comment on any matter. Okay, no takers. Could we get the minutes moved?
Move the minutes of August 21st.
Second.
Moved in second. Mr. Zanicki?
Yes.
Mr. Hogan?
Yes.
Mr. De Niro? Mr. Bear?
Yes.
And I vote aye, the motion carries. No secret actions, Greg?
No, sir.
Any other business, staff? No? Okay, good job, everybody. We'll see you next time, Thursday, October 2nd, at 2025 at 6 o'clock. Thank you all very much.
Motion to close.
Motion to close.
Second.
All in favor?
Aye.
Aye. Motion carried.